Hello, it's me. And today we're going to talk about how to take care of parrots. We will cover food and diet, exercise, grooming, toys, training, and some common health issues that affect parrots. If you have a parrot or are considering getting one, this is the video for you. Let's get started. The first thing we need to talk about is food and diet. All parrots need a high-quality pellet or extruded diet as the foundation of their diet. This should make up around 80% of what your parrot eats. This diet should contain a variety of different seeds, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. It should also be formulated for the specific needs of the parrot. For example, some parrots are good foragers and need more seeds in their diet, while other parrots are more frugivores and need more fruit in their diet. In addition to pellets, your parrot will also need fresh fruits and vegetables every day. These should make up around 20% of your parrot's diet. Some good options include leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as broccoli, carrots, apples, berries, and melon. You can also give your parrot some nuts and seeds, but these should be given in moderation as they are higher in fat and calories. It's important to note that all parrots are prone to obesity, so you want to be careful not to overfeed them. In general, you should feed your parrot only as much food as they can eat in one day. Any uneaten food should be removed from the cage to prevent your parrot from gorging themselves. Now let's talk about exercise. Parrots are very active birds and they need plenty of exercise to stay healthy and happy. In addition to providing your parrot with a large cage, you should also offer them plenty of opportunities to climb, explore, and play outside of their cage. This can be done by providing your parrot with a play stand, gym, or other climbing apparatus. Another option is to simply let your parrot roam freely in a parrot-proofed room. This allows your parrot to exercise and explore their surroundings while also getting some much-needed mental stimulation. Whatever you do, just make sure that your parrot gets at least an hour of exercise each day. The next thing we need to talk about is grooming. Parrots typically groom themselves, but they may need help from time to time. This is especially true if your parrot has recently molted or is shedding feathers. You can help your parrot by offering them a warm bath or by gently brushing them with a soft brush. You should also check your parrot's eyes and ears regularly for any discharge or buildup. If you notice any discharge, you can clean it out with a cotton ball or wash rag. Just be gentle so you don't hurt your parrot. In addition to regular grooming, you should also provide your parrot with a cuttlebone or mineral block. This will help them keep their beak trim and their feathers in good condition. Let's talk about toys. Parrots need a variety of toys to keep them entertained and mentally stimulated. This is especially true if your parrot lives in a smaller cage where they do not have a lot of room to explore. Some good options include foraging toys, puzzle toys, climbing toys, and chew toys. Foraging toys are a great way to keep your parrot's mind sharp. They also help your parrot to mimic their natural foraging behavior. Puzzle toys are another good option. They can be simple puzzles that your parrot can figure out, or more complex puzzles that will challenge your parrot's mind. Climbing toys are a great way to provide your parrot with exercise. They also allow your parrot to satisfy their natural instinct to climb and explore. Chew toys are a must-have for any parrot. They will help to keep your parrot's beak trim and also prevent them from chewing on their cage bars or furniture. When choosing toys for your parrot, be sure to select those that are made from non-toxic materials. This is especially important if you have a smaller parrot who might try to eat their toys. Rotate your parrot's toys regularly to keep them interested and engaged. A good rule of thumb is to rotate toys every 2 to 3 weeks. Another thing you should consider is the size of your parrot's cage when choosing toys. You want to choose toys that are appropriately sized for your parrot's cage. If you have a small parrot and a small cage, you wouldn't want to buy large toys that will take up all of the space in the cage. On the other hand, if you have a large parrot and a large cage, you won't want to buy small toys that your parrot will be able to destroy in minutes. Finally, be sure to observe your parrot when they're playing with their toys. This will help you to ensure that the toys are safe and that they are being used as intended. If you notice that a toy is becoming damaged, discard it immediately. The same goes for any toy that your parrot has started to chew on or eat. Next is training. Parrots are intelligent birds, and they need plenty of mental stimulation to stay happy and healthy. One way to provide your parrot with mental stimulation is through training. Training your parrot will also help you to build a bond with them. It will also help your parrot to stay active and engaged, which can help to prevent boredom and destructive behaviors. There are many different things that you can teach your parrot, from basic commands like sit, stay, and come to more complex tricks like fetching specific toys or performing a certain action. When training your parrot, it's important to be patient and consistent. Use positive reinforcement techniques such as rewards and praise to motivate your parrot. With time and patience, you'll be able to teach your parrot a variety of tricks and commands. All right, now let's talk about some common health issues that affect parrots. The first one we need to talk about is feather plucking, or feather destroying. This is a common behavior problem in parrots that can be caused by a variety of factors such as stress, boredom, or a nutritional deficiency. Feather plucking can lead to feather loss and bare patches on the body. It can also make your parrot more susceptible to infections and illness. If you notice that your parrot is plucking or destroying their feathers, it's important to take action quickly. This condition can quickly become a serious problem. To prevent feather plucking, make sure to provide your parrot with a stimulating environment. This includes plenty of toys, climbing opportunities, and social interaction. You should also offer your parrot a healthy diet and make sure they're getting enough exercise. If you think your parrot may be suffering from feather plucking due to stress or boredom, you can try to mitigate that with a diffuser or spray that emits calming pheromones. You can also work with a veterinarian or avian behaviorist to develop a behavior modification plan. Another common health issue in parrots is beak and nail overgrowth. This can cause your parrot to be unable to properly grip food or climb. To prevent beak and nail overgrowth, make sure to provide your parrot with plenty of opportunities to chew and climb. You can also offer your parrot a cuddle bone or mineral block, which will help them to naturally trim their beak and nails. In some cases, you may need to have your parrot's beak trimmed by a veterinarian or avian specialist. Obesity is another common health issue in parrots. This can lead to a variety of other health problems such as diabetes, heart disease, and fatty liver disease. To prevent obesity, make sure to feed your parrot a balanced diet and only give them as much food as they can eat in one day. You should also offer your parrot plenty of opportunities to exercise. In general, you should aim to give your parrot at least an hour of exercise each day. The last health issue we're going to talk about is psittacosis, commonly referred to as parrot fever. Psittacosis is a bacterial infection that can cause symptoms such as fever, lethargy, anorexia, diarrhea, and respiratory distress. This is a potentially fatal disease, but there are treatments available if caught early. The best way to prevent psittacosis is to make sure your parrot is up to date on their vaccinations. You should also practice good hygiene when handling your parrot or cleaning their cage. We covered a lot of ground in this video, but these are just the basics of parrot care. Every parrot is unique and will have different needs based on their individual circumstances. Do you have a parrot? If so, what kind? What's your experience been like? Leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week, and if you'd like to learn more about animals, I'll see you next time.